Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming basic prerequisites. Check your iPhone model and iOS version, free up storage, and connect to Wi-Fi. Once done, choose whether to install the official YouTube app or use Safari. The app gives a smoother interface. The web works on older builds. Sign into your Google account so subscriptions and history sync. Make sure battery is adequate. Plug in if needed. Now open the App Store or Safari and search for YouTube to start the installation or navigate to the site. Next, handle the middle steps, installing or configuring playback. If the App Store offers an older compatible YouTube version, accept that download. It preserves functionality without the latest features. If you use Safari, request the desktop site or reload the mobile page and disable content blockers that may break playback. Open a video and tap the settings gear. Select lower quality like 360p or 480p to reduce buffering. Also clear app cache or Safari data if playback remains choppy. These steps stabilize performance on older hardware. To complete the process, tweak convenience and handle problems. If you want background play, consider YouTube Premium or use picture-in-picture when supported. Otherwise, lock screen playback requires the app. Once configured, test a playlist and adjust autoplay. If things go wrong, restart the iPhone first. That often clears temporary glitches. If crashes or no video occur, reinstall the app or clear Safari data, and reset network settings or change DNS. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot, then test on Wi-Fi and cellular to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.